Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Saturday, July 18th. Quickly, we'll look at the weather impact summary. We will have some breezy conditions through the weekend, mainly in the Snake River Plain. There is some fire danger through the weekend. We do have a red flag warning out for the middle and upper Snake River Valley from 1 through 9 p.m. today for low humidity and wind gusts of 30 miles per hour. This will mainly affect the middle Snake Valley and also the Arco Desert, and we'll have mild temperatures through the middle of next week. Looking at the satellite imagery, we have high pressure off the Pacific coast and generally clear skies throughout Idaho, and that trend will continue through today. We're not expecting much in the way of any thunderstorm activity for the next several days. Here's the weather impact overview. So we are expecting some breezy conditions in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, thus the red flag warning today. And it will remain breezy tomorrow, probably not quite as breezy as today in those lower elevations. And here we look at the minimum relative humidity for today. Again, we see the under 15% levels across some of the Magic Valley, and especially across the Arco Desert through the INL region. We will have higher humidity further east and southeast, generally above 15%. And as we look at Sunday, similar, the below 15% amounts again, parts of the Snake River Valley, again mainly Arco Desert through INL, a bit higher humidities further east along the interstate corridor and the eastern highlands. Here are the wind gusts this afternoon. Again, you can see this 30 to 35 mile per hour gust area across the Snake Plain. Again, the highest amounts, Arco Desert across the INL region towards Craters of the Moon. And as I said, we do have a red flag warning out for those areas. And this evening through about 8 p.m., again, the areas of 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts, fairly well defined. Again, similar to the relative humidity where it's lower in that region, wind gusts decrease as you move further east and south. And wind gusts on Sunday, again, not quite as high, so again, less likely to have a red flag warning, but still a few locations above 30 mile per hour gusts. And again, Sunday evening, again, the same area, Arco Desert through INL, along routes 20 and 26, and again, lesser gusts further east. High temperatures today, much cooler than yesterday, about 5 to 10 degrees colder as we had some areas in the mid to upper 90s. Generally, the lower elevations in the mid to upper 80s and mid 70s to mid 70s to mid 80s in the mountains. We're going to again start to warm up on Sunday, a bit warmer than today. Some areas reaching 90 degrees again. And then by Monday, several areas getting into the low 90s in the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley. So again, temperatures starting to sneak above normal as we work through the week. And you can see by Tuesday, many areas into the 90s once again. So we will be well above normal temperatures by Tuesday into the middle of next week. So again, summing up the weather impact summary, some breezy conditions through Sunday. We have another red flag warning out for the middle and upper Snake River Valley, 1 through 9 p.m. for the low humidity and wind gusts of 30 miles per hour. And again, those will be fire zones 425 and 410, and mild conditions into midweek. Today will be the coolest day of the next several. We're going to start to warm up Sunday into next Tuesday. So that will conclude today's briefing. Here's our contact number listed here where you can reach us 24 hours a day, or go to our website for much more detailed information listed below. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.